Full HD 1080p 2.4G Wi-Fi camera. INQMEGA wireless camera. Stay connected 24/7 with your family anywhere. You can remotely watch what's going on in your home via iOS, Android app installed on mobile or web page on your PC in real time. 1080p 2 megapixels high resolution, a wide angle with horizontal vertical 110 degrees rotation range. With the advanced night vision you can see if your baby is sleeping soundly at night. Smart motion tracker and app alarm. 2.4G Wi-Fi security camera. Smart track function can be accurately picked up and record the activity image. INQMEGA camera can auto-tracking the moving object, body, pet and center the moving object on camera. Meanwhile, instant app alarm pushes will be sent to you to keep you informed all the time. While with the preset function, you can view your desired position by one touch. The 4x digital zoom offers a closer view for you. Two-way audio pan and tilt. Night vision. Built-in speaker and microphone. You can remotely control the camera via using the app to communicate with and view your family anytime, anywhere. Your INQMEGA 2.4G Wi-Fi home camera will change to night vision mode automatically when the night falls. Allow you to see more detail and cover more ground to keep more of what you love safe. Super wide viewing angle with horizontal 360-degree pan and vertical 110-degree tilt. Cloud storage service available. Support 1 month cloud of 24 hours storage, with no charge, recording to avoid risk of losing footage from a micro's memory card, and ensures all recorded video is safe, secure, and protected with the most efficient compression and highest protection of data. You can review, save, play back and share footage at any time. Local backup supports up to 128 GB micros card. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi camera. With user-friendly app you can customize the settings via app, camera sharing, motion detection and notification, preset, auto-tracking and more. Quick setup via mobile. INQMEGA app, iOS, Android. Connecting the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5G HZ is not supported, and follow instructions step by step to set up. The wireless security camera supports remotely view via mobile phone app. Get to know what's happening in your house whenever and wherever. Very cute, mobile camera with nice pictures. Bought it for several days already and really love it. It is very small, probably 2/3 of hand, and it is very, very cute. The camera eye can really move around and take very clear pictures. Now I feel much safer even if I am not at home.